Hey guys, I came back from the store and I'm hungry, but I'm not just hungry. I'm curiously hungry. Like I want to try new flavors, explore the world. So I got World of Flavors Korean barbecue chips, and I also got World of Flavors Nashville hot. Yep. Gotta get the thumbnail. Alright. Let's see which one of these chips tastes better. Actually, we're gonna see how good they taste, and then we're gonna see if they match the flavor, if you know what I'm talking about. Alright. Diving into the first one. Korean barbecue. Oh man. It has a bit of a all dressed type taste, you know what I'm saying? A bit all dressed, not spicy at all. Although it does say, let's say mild right there. So it's not gonna be that spicy. But in terms of accuracy, it's like a little bit there. At a scale of 1 to 10, 1 to 10 right here, right? I say it hits like a good 5 or 6, right there. Like it tastes kind of like it. You can kind of stretch the definition of the taste, but it's pretty good. I give it a solid 7.5. I put it in a bowl and I play some video games or draw while eating this shit. I like it. This one has a fancier bag. Obviously, this one, marketing-wise, this is a big, juicy chicken there. Me, personally, you want Korean barbecue, this is the worst type of cut meat you can get. That's just me. But Nashville hot chicken, all that weird sparkles in the back. You see that? But we got that here. And ooh, is hot. All right. Cheers, guys. That tastes pretty good. I'd say this one tastes better. Wait. Do I? Yep. This one does taste better. But this one is more accurate. You know what I'm saying? That's not saying I don't like Nashville hot chicken. It's a bit more accurate, but that's maybe I am saying that. But this one is a little bit worse in my opinion. Like if you gave me a bowl of some chips, of these two chips in separate bowls, and I had to eat this bowl while playing a game or drawing or doing something, anything, right? I think I'd go for the Korean barbecue. Has a little bit more oomph, a little bit more flavor. But this one's more accurate. This one tastes more similar to Nashville chicken sandwiches. So I give this one like a 7. 7. One bit like 6.5 is like a little bit pushing it, but I give it a good 7. I give this one a 7.5. What do I say? Wow, flavor. So that's Aiden's review of President's Choice Korean barbecue and Nashville hot chicken.